Okay, so this is my dad, John. He's been travelling with us for the last month in Tassie, and he travelled with us a bunch when we were up in Exmouth as well. And the whole time I have been meaning to do a van tour of his epic van that he fully converted himself. So yeah, we're just going to do a mini one now. Hope you enjoy. So, what are the details of your van?
It's a Fiat Ducato, medium wheelbase. It's a shorter van.
It's a little bit shorter than Oki, isn't it?
Yeah, it's about 500mm shorter than Oki.
Yeah.
Because you can take it into like supermarket car parks and just park in a normal parking space. It's height, it's got like it's just shy of 6 foot, and I've still got a couple of inches above my head.
Sweet. And how long did it take you to convert it?
I reckon it was about 9 months in total.
That was like in between your work schedule and everything.
Yeah, so I'd kind of work in the mornings for 6 hours or so, and then I'd come out and work on the van for 5.
Yeah.
It was fun actually.
Yeah. What are the details, like how much power do you have, how much water can you hold?
I've got 400 watts of solar panel on the roof. I've got a 175 amp hour lithium battery. It's got a Renogy system. It's got a solar controller, an inverter, and a fuse box. Yeah, so it runs all my lighting, runs my little coffee machine, runs my pump for the water. So in terms of water, I've got 2 54-litre tanks under the car for water storage, so that's 108 litres.
Yeah.
And then I've got another 45-litre waste tank under there.
I feel like the real highlight of this van is, one, the use of space, like the swivel seats just open up the space so much, and two, the way it can really feel like a little home but also like an office space, because Dad works like full-time online as well, so he's been doing that the whole time he's been travelling with us. And yeah, it just feels like such a nice, open, airy space for home and office. It's a wonderful kitchen.
This is the kitchen. So I've got a nice sink here, which you may recognise from Oki. Same sink.
Oki inspired.
Oki inspired sink. Oki inspired tap. Oki inspired stove.
Yeah, so you've also got the Thetford double burner gas stove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is great.
So good.
Love it.
The Lapavoni coffee machine.
Yeah, my Lapavoni coffee machine is my pride and joy.
It makes the best coffee.
I've got a 85-litre Bushman fridge under here.
Yeah.
Can't speak highly enough of these fridges. They're just amazing.
So good.
The freezer actually works.
Yeah.
A little drawer on the top of the fridge where I keep all my rubbish.
Nice.
I've got 4 drawers down under the stove here in the kitchen.
So like utensils.
Yep, and I've got a cupboard with heaps of space in it underneath the sink.
Wow, there's heaps of space in there.
Yeah, I've got a little secret drawer under here.
Yeah, I love this drawer.
So I've got, with my kitchen I made it so there was a kicker or whatever it is. In that kicker I've just put a sort of little drawer for my laptops and stuff. So in terms of storage, we've got 6 overhead cabinets. Keep food in these 2. And then clothes in these ones at the back. There's a garage under the bed which you've got access to through here if you need to. So the idea with this is you can actually take the door off and it's wide enough to fit a mattress in there, so you could sleep someone half under in the garage if you're into this area.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So like a little single bed. There's storage underneath the seat here. This lifts up.
Wow.
There's a big storage area in here where I keep my rice and condensed water and some gas and stuff. There's a little shoe locker.
There's actually so much storage in this van.
And then we've got an overhead cabinet here above the driver's area.
And then, so this space, did you get this seat installed? Like you put it in? Yeah. Because you wanted to also, Dad's in a band, so am I, we're in a band. And they tour a lot, so he wanted this to be a good vehicle to take on tour and have like you can seat up to 4 people and obviously sleep a few people as well.
Yeah,
So
seatbelts before.
yeah, you got this professionally installed and you've got the swivel seats. So this area actually opens up into your office space. Hey.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So there's a table that fits in here. It's like a Laguna table.
Yeah.
And you can just move it around wherever.
Yeah. And we've had days where we've all worked in here and it's been like so comfortable, so much space. And I'm actually like, yeah, shocked at how well these swivel seats have worked in opening up the space and yeah, making it feel so comfortable in here with like multiple people. The windows, you've got a window here, window on the sliding that opens up.
Yep.
So you can have it open while you're cooking, even if it's raining.
Yep.
And then the feature I love about your van as well is this flatted roof ceiling. It's
Yeah.
very nice. How was that to make?
It was interesting. It was a lot of work.
Yeah.
But it was worth it.
Worth it. It looks
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah.
So the sleeping situation. How big is your mattress?
So it's a double. It's a full double. Fits really nicely. So there's a little window just above the pillows, and yeah, it's really nice when there's a bit of a breeze coming in there. Yeah. So it's a permanent bed.
Yeah. And then under the bed you have your garage, which we will through there, but you've got heaps of storage under there.
Yeah.
His dad's also a surfer, so surfboards
Yeah.
were a priority.
Storage is key.
Yeah, yeah, it's awesome. It is such a nifty little space, so cool, and it's so much fun having Dad travel with us as well. How are you finding van life?
Oh yeah, love it.
Yeah. Yeah, good. So that's the tour of Dad's little Fiat Ducato. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Got some fun little ideas if you're doing your own van, and I'm sure you'll be seeing lots more of this van in all of our videos.